Well, first tonight at 6, it's a decades-long cold case, finally in its final chapter. Jeffrey Crum faces the death penalty in the brutal kidnapping and murder of 12-year-old Jennifer Odom back in 1993. Fox 13's Kylie Jones has an update from the Hernando County Courthouse.
Well, the sentencing phase is the second half of this trial. Jeffrey Crum was convicted last week, and on Monday, the jury heard more testimony from both the state and defense about why Crum should and shouldn't be put to death. It took decades to link Crum to Jennifer Odom's kidnapping and murder. She disappeared from her bus stop in Pasco County back in 1993 when she was 12 years old. Around 2015, DNA technology from Crum's son helped detectives link Crum to a 1992 kidnapping and sexual battery of a 17-year-old girl. In 2023, detectives were finally able to charge Crum in Jennifer's case. As the penalty phase of the trial began Monday morning, the jury learned about a 1985 sexual battery in Hillsborough County that Crum served time for. That victim, who was 18 at the time, testified that she was trying to hitchhike and Crum offered her a ride.
And made me get into the floorboard, and he told me he was going to take me and let a bunch of men have fun with me, and then he was going to kill me.
Did he ever mention anything to you about your child and you seeing your child?
He told me I would never see my child again alive.
Jennifer's mother, stepfather, and aunt also shared emotional impact statements. They fought back tears Monday as they told the jury about Jennifer's life.
Jennifer was so much more than a victim in a case. She was a beloved daughter, niece, granddaughter, sister, and friend. She was a little girl with dreams, talents, and a future full of possibilities.
A neuropsychologist who performed a series of psychological tests on Crum also testified Monday. He said Crum suffered extreme physical and emotional abuse, which caused lifelong trauma, and had a dysfunctional upbringing surrounded by substance abuse. That doctor also shared statements that Crum's son made.
Jeffrey Jr. said that the father basically was an alcoholic. Alcohol controlled him. He took, when he took drugs and alcohol, he referred to him as a ticking time bomb. And he also said there was something mentally deficiency going on with the dad.
Both the state and defense rested once again. The jury is expected to come back Tuesday morning for closing statements. In Hernando County, Kylie Jones, Fox 13 News.